Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. I received a question from Ryan asking about why to trade futures. Now, I love trading futures and I highly recommend it. One of the reasons, amongst many reasons, is exactly what's going on right now. So it is currently 4:50 in the afternoon, Mountain Time Zone. And as you can see, this market is open. What we're looking at is the Dow futures. And the regular stock market closes here at 2 o'clock. So that is right here. And then the futures market is still open for an hour. Then the futures market does close for 1 hour from my time zone, 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. But then we open up again at 4 o'clock. So for those of you who are night owls, for those of you that maybe work throughout the day and don't have time to trade during regular session hours, or for those of you who are in a time zone where it's maybe more conducive to trade at different times, the markets are open 23 hours a day, starting on Sunday night all the way until Friday afternoon. Now, as I mentioned, that's just one of many, many reasons to trade futures. Another being you save money on your taxes, at least if you're here in the United States. You need less money to trade overall because these are highly, highly leveraged. And shorting is just as easy in futures as going long. As you may know, you may need more margin to short a stock, but as for futures, it's exactly the same. So many, many reasons to trade futures. If you don't know how to trade them, you can always check out my Futures 101 class. I'll link to that down below. You can check out the info on that. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.